Out there, beyond the comforting blue skies of our planet, floats a realm so vast and strange it defies imagination. Picture this, a car cruising through the void, a diamond larger than Earth itself, and even immortal creatures taking an unplanned cosmic vacation. Space, as it turns out, is not just a silent expanse of stars, it's a treasure chest of the unexpected and the utterly bizarre. In this video, we're embarking on an extraordinary journey to uncover 25 of the weirdest, most fascinating objects currently drifting in the cosmos. Some will make you laugh, others might leave you questioning the very nature of the universe, and a few may just give you chills. So, buckle up, because what lies ahead is a wild ride through the strange and spectacular wonders of the final frontier. Now turning to one of the most iconic and unconventional objects floating in space, we have the Tesla Roadster. Back in 2018, Elon Musk and his company SpaceX captivated the world when they launched this electric sports car into the cosmos aboard the Falcon Heavy rocket. This wasn't just any car, though. Behind the wheel sits a mannequin affectionately named Starman, dressed in a sleek spacesuit as if ready for a surreal galactic road trip. The car's destination, well, it's not exactly heading to Mars as originally announced, but instead, it has entered a looping orbit around the Sun that takes it far beyond Mars's path at times. Imagine this, a bright red sports car with Earth fading in its rearview mirror and David Bowie's Space Oddity once playing on loop, hurtling through the void of space. It's as if a sci-fi movie scene had come to life, but beyond its visual appeal, the Tesla Roadster carries a symbolic weight. It represents a new era of human ambition, innovation, and wit as we reach for the stars. At the same time, there's something undeniably amusing about the thought of a luxury car endlessly soaring through the vast, silent vacuum, unattached to terrestrial concerns. It's a bold, almost poetic statement about humanity's ability to achieve the improbable and to do so with a touch of humor. Moving forward, let's delve into the remarkable story of the Immortal Tardigrades, creatures that seem almost too incredible to be real. These tiny, water-dwelling organisms, often called water bears, are no bigger than a speck of dust, yet they possess survival skills that put even the most advanced technology to shame. In 2019, a lunar lander named Bereshit, on a mission to the moon, met with a crash landing, accidentally spilling its unusual cargo, thousands of tardigrades. These microscopic marvels were part of an experiment, chosen because they are some of the hardiest life forms known to science. Tardigrades can survive extremes that would obliterate almost any other organism. From the freezing cold of outer space to scorching heat, crushing pressures, and even intense radiation, they have an uncanny ability to endure conditions we would consider utterly uninhabitable. They can essentially shut down their metabolism, entering a state called cryptobiosis, which allows them to survive for decades without food or water. Now, these tiny survivors are believed to be scattered across the lunar surface, making them accidental extraterrestrial hitchhikers. While they are unlikely to be active in the harsh environment of the moon, their mere presence there opens fascinating questions about life's resilience and its potential to persist beyond Earth. It's almost poetic to think of these microscopic earthlings silently clinging to the moon's surface, a testament to life's tenacity in the face of the vast, lifeless expanse of space. Now turning to a legacy that bridges humanity and the cosmos, let's unravel the story of the Voyager probes and their extraordinary golden records. Launched in the late 1970s, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were designed to explore the outer planets, but they carry something far more profound than scientific instruments. Each probe is equipped with a golden record, a phonograph disc etched with sights and sounds meant to represent the essence of life on Earth. These records were carefully curated, containing an eclectic mix of greetings in 55 languages, traditional music from cultures around the world, and even the sounds of wind, waves, and animals that bring our planet to life. There are also images encoded within, showing everything from human anatomy to mathematical concepts, encapsulating the story of who we are and where we come from. Imagine hurtling through the quiet void of space, billions of kilometers from home, and encountering this time capsule of human existence. The records were crafted with the hope that one day, an intelligent extraterrestrial civilization might stumble upon them, decipher their contents, and glimpse into the rich tapestry of life on Earth. They are both a profound gesture of curiosity and a humbling reminder of how small we are in the vast cosmic sea. Carl Sagan, who led the team that designed the records, described them as a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean, carrying a message of peace and wonder. These golden discs continue their silent journey through interstellar space, carrying with them our collective story, a poignant tribute to humanity's desire to connect, even with the unknown. Moving forward, let's take a closer look at the chaotic and ever-growing collection of space junk circling our planet. Orbiting Earth at incredible speeds are millions of pieces of debris, ranging from old, defunct satellites to discarded rocket parts and even tools accidentally lost during spacewalks. This human-made clutter, often invisible to the naked eye, has become an unintended byproduct of decades of exploration and innovation. While it may sound harmless, the problem lies in the sheer velocity at which these objects travel. Even something as small as a paint fleck zipping through space at tens of thousands of kilometers per hour can cause significant damage upon impact. This growing web of space junk poses a serious risk to operational satellites, the vital technologies we depend on for communication, navigation, and even weather forecasting. It also threatens the safety of crewed missions, with astronauts needing to navigate carefully to avoid collisions. The scale of the issue is sobering, as every new launch adds to the congestion, leaving behind discarded components that could remain in orbit for decades or even centuries. Efforts are underway to address this problem, from developing mechanisms to capture and remove debris to designing spacecraft with minimal waste in mind. Yet the challenge serves as a stark reminder of the unintended consequences of our reach for the stars, a legacy of progress that calls for responsible stewardship of outer space. And as we look to the future, the question lingers: how can we harness space without leaving behind a trail of chaos? With the next phase of the journey in sight, let us marvel at the extraordinary feat of human ingenuity that is the International Space Station. Orbiting Earth at a breathtaking speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour, this massive structure represents the pinnacle of modern engineering and international cooperation. The station serves as a unique man-made habitat, a place where astronauts from all over the world live and work together while floating in the microgravity of space. Beyond the awe-inspiring sight of this orbital laboratory, its significance lies in the groundbreaking experiments conducted on board. From studying the effects of long-term space travel on the human body to testing innovative technologies and even growing plants in space, the station provides invaluable insights that shape the future of exploration. It is not just a scientific laboratory, but a symbol of what humanity can achieve through collaboration, as it is jointly operated by multiple space agencies, including those from the United States, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada. Despite its high-tech presence, the station also offers moments of reflection, as astronauts aboard often capture stunning images of Earth, reminding us of our planet's beauty and fragility. Floating in the vastness of space, the International Space Station stands as both a testament to our scientific spirit and a stepping stone to future adventures beyond our home planet. With the next phase of the journey in sight, let us turn our attention to the SpaceX Dragon capsules, remarkable pieces of technology that have revolutionized how we think about space travel. These innovative spacecraft are designed to deliver cargo and even crew to the International Space Station, but what makes them particularly fascinating is their reusability. After completing their missions, some Dragon capsules remain in orbit, serving as a reminder of the rapid advancements in commercial space exploration. Unlike the disposable spacecraft of earlier eras, these capsules are part of a new generation of space vehicles that prioritize sustainability and cost efficiency. The ability to reuse these spacecraft significantly reduces the cost of space missions, making the dream of frequent space travel more attainable than ever before. SpaceX, with its Dragon capsules, has paved the way for a future where private companies play a crucial role in exploring the cosmos, breaking barriers that were once thought insurmountable. Imagine a future where commercial spacecraft are as common as airplanes, ushering in a new era of accessibility to space. These capsules are not only technological marvels, but also symbols of the bold vision driving humanity toward a future where space is within reach for more than just a select few. As they continue to orbit, the SpaceX Dragon capsules remind us that the boundaries of exploration are continuously expanding, and the possibilities for what lies beyond are truly limitless. Now turning to the fascinating discovery of frozen water and icebergs in the vast expanse of our solar system, it is incredible to consider how these icy formations are not limited to Earth alone. For instance, the rings of Saturn, those majestic bands shimmering in the depths of space, are made up largely of ice particles. These icy rings captivate scientists not only for their beauty, but also for what they can tell us about the planet's history and composition. But the mystery deepens when we venture to moons like Europa, orbiting Jupiter, and Enceladus, circling Saturn. Beneath their frozen exteriors, these moons are believed to harbor vast subsurface oceans that could potentially support some form of life. The discovery of water ice in these distant places is monumental. Water, as we know, is one of the fundamental ingredients for life, and finding it outside of Earth raises the tantalizing question of whether other forms of life, however simple or complex, might exist elsewhere in the universe. Moreover, the presence of water ice is a game-changer for future human exploration. These deposits could serve as essential resources for astronauts, providing drinking water, breathable oxygen through electrolysis, and even fuel when converted into hydrogen and oxygen. Imagine future missions to Europa or Enceladus, where explorers might not only study these alien worlds, but also sustain themselves with the very ice that encases them. These discoveries remind us that the search for life and the quest to extend human presence beyond Earth are intricately tied to uncovering and understanding these icy treasures. As we continue to explore, the frozen water and icebergs scattered throughout the solar system stand as both a scientific marvel and a beacon of hope for what lies ahead in our cosmic journey. Moving forward, let's talk about one of the eeriest cosmic visitors to ever cross our path, the skull-shaped asteroid known as 2015 TB-145, or as it is famously called, the Halloween asteroid. Discovered just weeks before its close approach to Earth in late October 2015, this asteroid captured attention not only for its timely appearance near Halloween, but also for its uncanny, almost ghostly resemblance to a human skull. It passed by at a distance of roughly 300,000 miles, just slightly farther than the average distance of the Moon, making it a near miss in astronomical terms. Scientists estimate this asteroid to be about 2,000 feet in diameter, and its haunting skull-like shape is believed to be the result of its pockmarked surface and the natural erosion of space debris over time. What makes it even more mysterious is that radar imaging revealed it might be the remnants of a dead comet, one that has lost its volatile materials after countless orbits near the Sun. Essentially, we could be looking at a comet's rocky skeleton drifting through space, adding to the spooky aura surrounding it. Its flyby gave researchers rare insight into the characteristics and trajectories of such objects, and while it posed no immediate threat, it served as a reminder of the many unpredictable and bizarre phenomena out there in the vastness of space. This chilling celestial wanderer is a perfect example of how even the inanimate objects in the cosmos can evoke fascination and wonder, blending the scientific with a touch of the supernatural. With its skull-like visage and impeccable timing, the Halloween asteroid remains a uniquely memorable feature of our solar system's story. Now turning to one of the most peculiar experiments ever conducted in the zero-gravity environment of space, spiders spinning webs in microgravity. In an effort to understand how living organisms adapt to life beyond Earth, scientists sent orb-weaving spiders aboard the International Space Station. The goal was to study how these eight-legged architects would adjust their web-making techniques in the absence of gravity's guiding force. What they found was both fascinating and strange. Initially, the spiders seemed to struggle, producing webs that were asymmetrical and less structured than the ones they would spin on Earth. However, over time, they adapted, showcasing the incredible resilience and flexibility of living organisms. Without gravity pulling them downward, the spiders began relying more on light sources to orient themselves, spinning surprisingly orderly webs that were nearly indistinguishable from those created in normal gravity conditions. Imagine these tiny creatures suspended in space, floating with their delicate, silken masterpieces, a bizarre yet compelling demonstration of life's ability to adjust to the most alien of environments. This weird and wondrous experiment not only deepened our understanding of biological adaptation, but also highlighted just how strange life can look when untethered from the confines of Earth's natural laws. Moving forward, let us uncover one of the most unexpected and astonishing discoveries in the cosmos galaxy, sized clouds of alcohol drifting through the expanse of space. Among them, Sagittarius B2 stands out as a gigantic molecular cloud situated near the central region of the Milky Way galaxy. This colossal formation, measuring over 150 light-years across, is composed of an array of fascinating chemical compounds, including ethyl alcohol, the same substance found in alcoholic beverages on Earth. While it may sound tempting to imagine a cosmic brewery, the alcohol in this cloud is far from drinkable, as it is combined with various other chemicals and exists under extreme conditions unsuitable for human consumption. The presence of such organic molecules, however, carries extraordinary significance. It provides evidence that the ingredients for life as we know it are not confined to our planet but are scattered throughout the universe. These molecular clouds act as chemical factories where complex reactions occur, forming the basic building blocks for organic life, such as amino acids. Sagittarius B2 is a reminder of how the vastness of space is not just empty void, but a dynamic environment where the precursors to life may be more common than we ever imagined. The sheer scale and composition of this alcohol cloud challenge us to rethink the boundaries of what is possible in nature, adding yet another layer of intrigue to the mysteries of the Milky Way. As the next phase of our journey unfolds, we stumble upon an oddly relatable aspect of space exploration: everyday items gone astray during astronaut missions. Picture this: a stray glove, a missing tool, or even a lone sock drifting through the vastness of space. Yes, you heard that right, a single sock, much like the ones that mysteriously disappear in your laundry, has made its way into the cosmic expanse. These everyday objects are more than just misplaced items. They represent the fascinating quirks of human exploration beyond Earth. During spacewalks, astronauts occasionally lose grip of their equipment due to the challenges of working in microgravity, and once an object escapes, it becomes yet another piece of orbital debris, endlessly floating in the void. Imagine a wrench silently tumbling through the cosmos, untouched for eternity. While these items may seem insignificant, they contribute to the growing collection of space junk that orbits our planet, a bizarre testament to humanity's presence beyond the atmosphere. In a way, this accidental littering turns space into a peculiar storage ground for fragments of our everyday lives, a poignant reminder of how even the mundane becomes extraordinary when placed against the infinite backdrop of the universe. These floating relics, trivial as they might seem, narrate a subtle story of human curiosity, perseverance, and an unintended mark we leave as we venture into the unknown. Now turning to one of humanity's most remarkable achievements in space, the Hubble Space Telescope stands as an enduring testament to scientific ingenuity and curiosity. This incredible instrument, launched in the spring of 1990, has spent decades orbiting our planet, tirelessly peering into the farthest reaches of the universe. Unlike ground-based telescopes hindered by the Earth's atmosphere, the Hubble enjoys an unobstructed view, offering us images of unparalleled clarity and depth. Its iconic snapshots, from the majestic pillars of creation to the dazzling beauty of distant galaxies, have not only captivated the public, but have also revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. The Hubble has helped scientists estimate the age of the universe, study the mysterious force of dark energy, and uncover the atmospheric composition of planets outside our solar system. Even as it continues its silent journey around Earth at a staggering speed of 28,000 kilometers per hour, it remains a beacon of exploration and discovery. With its ability to look both far and deep, the Hubble reminds us of the incredible potential of human creativity and the endless wonders that unfold when we dare to look beyond our world. Moving forward, we delve into one of the most mysterious and controversial objects ever claimed to orbit our planet, the so-called Black Knight satellite. Shrouded in speculation and intrigue, this enigmatic object has been at the center of numerous conspiracy theories, with some suggesting it is an ancient alien probe silently observing Earth for thousands of years. The legend of the Black Knight satellite gained traction in the mid-20th century when unusual signals were detected from space, fueling the idea of an extraterrestrial presence. Photographs from missions like the 1998 Endeavour space shuttle added fuel to the fire, with images showing a dark, irregular object that many believers point to as proof of its existence. However, skeptics argue that these sightings are merely space debris or misidentified objects such as thermal blankets lost during missions. Despite the lack of concrete evidence, the Black Knight satellite remains a captivating cultural phenomenon, appearing in media, books, and documentaries that explore humanity's fascination with the unknown. Whether a relic of alien technology or a combination of misinterpretations and imagination, its allure lies in the timeless curiosity it sparks about what might be watching us from beyond our skies. Now turning to a phenomenon that redefines the very idea of a planetary home, let us explore the concept of rogue planets. Unlike the planets in our solar system that are gravitationally bound to the Sun, rogue planets drift alone through the galaxy, untethered to any star. These wandering worlds are believed to have been ejected from their original planetary systems during their early chaotic formation, leaving them to travel endlessly through the darkness of space. Scientists have identified several rogue planets using advanced techniques such as gravitational microlensing, which detects the bending of light caused by an object's gravitational field. One such discovery, a rogue planet roughly the size of Jupiter, has sparked intrigue about how common these nomadic worlds might be. What is truly fascinating about rogue planets is the mystery they embody. Without a host star to provide warmth and light, how do they sustain themselves? Some theorize that internal heat generated by radioactive decay or gravitational forces could allow for subsurface oceans beneath thick layers of ice, raising the tantalizing possibility of life in the most unexpected places. These planets also challenge our understanding of planetary formation, suggesting that the chaos of star systems may be far more intense than previously thought. With the questions they raise about the nature of planets and the potential for habitability, rogue planets offer a compelling mystery that underscores just how dynamic and unpredictable our universe truly is. Moving forward, let us venture even deeper into the cosmic archive to uncover another celestial enigma, the mysterious WOW signal's legacy. Moving forward, let us delve into one of the most captivating mysteries in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, the legacy of the famous WOW. Signal, detected in 1977 by astronomer Jerry Amon using the Big Ear radio telescope at Ohio State University. The WOW signal was an intense, unexplained radio burst that lasted 72 seconds. The name stems from the astonished "wow" notation Amon scribbled on the data sheet, highlighting just how extraordinary the signal appeared to be. Its origin has been traced to a region near the constellation Sagittarius, specifically close to a globular cluster known as Messier 55. This specific area of the sky continues to fuel speculation since no definitive explanation has ever been found for the signal source. What makes this anomaly so enduringly fascinating is its mysterious nature. It bore all the hallmarks of an artificial signal, one that might originate from an intelligent civilization, yet it was never detected again despite numerous follow-up observations. Over the decades, the WOW signal has inspired countless theories, ranging from reflections off Earth orbiting space debris to the possibility of beacons from distant alien technology. Some researchers even suggest it could have been a rare, natural cosmic phenomenon we have yet to understand. The fact that it remains a singular event, never replicated or confirmed, deepens the enigma surrounding it. This solitary signal reminds us of how little we know about the vastness of space and the potential for other intelligent life forms. As scientists continue to examine this region of the sky with increasingly advanced tools, the WOW signal serves as both a symbol of hope and a challenge, urging humanity to keep listening and exploring the universe. Now, let us take a closer look at a celestial marvel that truly sparkles, the largest known diamond in the cosmos. Now turning to a celestial phenomenon that truly dazzles, let us explore the largest known diamond in the universe. Nestled in the constellation of Cancer lies a planet called 55 Cancri E, an extraordinary world unlike anything we know. This planet, roughly twice the size of Earth, orbits a star much like our Sun and is believed to have a surface partially composed of diamond. Its unique composition is attributed to its carbon-rich makeup, coupled with intense heat and pressure, conditions that can transform carbon into diamond on an unimaginable scale. Imagine an entire planet shimmering with the sparkling brilliance of this precious gem. The sheer value of such a celestial body, if brought to Earth, would be utterly incomprehensible, far surpassing anything our global economy could handle. Yet, beyond its staggering worth, 55 Cancri E challenges our understanding of planetary formation and diversity. It forces us to rethink the possibilities of what distant worlds might look like, opening our minds to the bizarre and extraordinary. This exotic planet stands as a testament to the incredible strangeness of the universe, a place where even the most fantastical ideas seem to come to life. As we uncover more about such extraordinary phenomena, we are reminded that space holds wonders far beyond our wildest imagination. Next, let us journey from dazzling diamonds to the eerie realm of zombie satellites, the lifeless relics of technology still drifting aimlessly through the void. Now turning to the eerie realm of zombie satellites, these are defunct or malfunctioning satellites that continue to drift aimlessly through the vast expanse of space. Imagine pieces of advanced technology that once served crucial roles, now reduced to lifeless objects silently orbiting our planet. One such example is the LES-1, a satellite launched in the 1960s that mysteriously began transmitting signals again decades after it was declared non-functional. This eerie reawakening left scientists puzzled, as it seemed to spring back to life like some kind of technological ghost. Another chilling example is the Vanguard 1, launched in 1958, which holds the title of the oldest satellite still in orbit. Though it hasn't been operational for decades, it continues to circle Earth, a haunting relic of humanity's early steps into the space age. Zombie satellites not only symbolize our incredible advancements in technology, but also serve as reminders of the challenges posed by space debris. They represent a strange duality, the triumph of human innovation alongside the unintended consequences of our cosmic ambitions. These silent drifters orbiting endlessly inspire a mix of fascination and unease as they remind us of the lasting footprint we leave in the cosmos. As we ponder these ghostly technological relics, let us continue our exploration by examining the Martian meteorites, fragments from another world that have made their way to Earth, carrying secrets of the red planet's distant past. Moving forward, let us delve into the captivating story of Martian meteorites, fragments of the red planet that have journeyed through space to reach the surface of Earth. These extraordinary rocks were blasted off Mars millions of years ago, likely due to volcanic eruptions or asteroid impacts, sending them hurtling into the vastness of the cosmos. Against incredible odds, some of these fragments found their way to our planet, offering us a rare and priceless glimpse into the history of our celestial neighbor. What makes these meteorites particularly fascinating is the wealth of information they hold. By studying their composition, scientists have uncovered evidence of ancient Martian environments that might have once supported life, including traces of water and atmospheric conditions strikingly similar to those of early Earth. One of the most famous examples is the Allen Hills meteorite, found in Antarctica in the year 1984, which contains microscopic structures that some researchers interpreted as fossilized Martian bacteria. Though this claim remains controversial, it sparked intense scientific debate and further fueled our curiosity about the potential for life beyond our planet. These meteorites serve as a profound reverse connection, bringing pieces of another world to Earth and reminding us of the interconnectedness of our solar system. As we marvel at these incredible time capsules from Mars, let us now look ahead to another bizarre phenomenon floating in the cosmos, an empty spacesuit drifting silently in orbit and carrying a story that is as haunting as it is peculiar. Now turning to one of the eeriest sights ever to drift through space, let us explore the story of Suitsat-1, an old Russian spacesuit with an unconventional second life. Back in the year 2006, engineers devised a creative experiment using a decommissioned Orlan spacesuit. Instead of discarding it, they equipped the suit with a radio transmitter and a set of basic sensors, transforming it into a temporary satellite. Once released from the International Space Station, Suitsat-1 began its solitary journey around Earth. What made this sight so hauntingly peculiar was the way the spacesuit appeared. Floating eerily in the vastness of space, its empty arms outstretched as if waving silently to the universe. To many, it evoked the image of an astronaut lost in the void, adding an unsettling, almost ghostly quality to its presence. The radio transmitter aboard the suit broadcasted messages and telemetry data for educational purposes, but the signal weakened sooner than expected, deepening the mysterious aura of this drifting artifact. Suitsat-1 mission was brief, as it eventually burned up upon re-entering Earth's atmosphere, but its unusual story continues to capture imaginations. It serves as a poignant symbol of humanity's ingenuity, and at the same time, a haunting reminder of the emptiness beyond our planet. With the image of an empty spacesuit lingering in our minds, let us shift our attention to an even greater enigma, an interstellar object whose origins and behavior continue to baffle scientists to this day. Moving forward, we arrive at one of the most puzzling visitors our solar system has ever encountered, Oumuamua, the first known interstellar object to pass through this celestial neighborhood. Discovered in the year 2017, Oumuamua immediately captured the attention of scientists and the public alike due to its highly unusual characteristics. Unlike anything observed before, it appeared elongated, resembling either a cigar or a flat, pancake-like shape, depending on how it was interpreted from observations. Its rapid spin and lack of a visible comet-like tail added to the intrigue, as did its unexpected acceleration as it moved away from the sun. While comets typically expel gas and dust that might explain such motion, no such emissions were detected from Oumuamua, leaving researchers scrambling for answers. Some theories suggest it could be a fragment of a larger body, sculpted into its bizarre shape by intense gravitational forces or collisions during its long journey through the galaxy. Others propose it might be a dense, icy object with an unusual composition that reacts differently to sunlight. However, perhaps the most captivating and controversial idea is that Oumuamua could be an artificial probe sent by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. This speculation gained traction due to the object's peculiar trajectory and behavior, although there is no direct evidence to support this claim. Regardless of its true nature, Oumuamua has sparked new questions about the kinds of objects hiding in interstellar space and what they might reveal about the universe beyond our solar system. As we ponder this interstellar mystery, let us now shift focus to yet another strange phenomenon: asteroids that blur the lines between traditional planetary features and the unexpected. Moving forward, we encounter a discovery that defies conventional expectations: asteroids with rings. While we typically associate rings with massive planets like Saturn or Jupiter, asteroids like Chariklo have shattered this assumption. Chariklo, a relatively small body orbiting between Saturn and Uranus, stunned scientists when it was found to have not one but two distinct, dense rings encircling it. This revelation came in the year 2014 and marked the first time such a feature was observed around an asteroid. The discovery prompted a re-evaluation of how rings form and why they might exist around objects so much smaller than planets. Researchers believe that these rings could have originated from a collision or a disruptive gravitational interaction, with the resulting debris eventually settling into stable orbit around the asteroid. What makes Chariklo's rings even more perplexing is their sharp, well-defined edges, suggesting the presence of tiny moonlets or shepherding objects that help maintain their structure, much like what we see in Saturn's rings. This phenomenon is incredibly rare and highlights how much we still have to learn about the dynamics of small bodies in space. The existence of rings around an asteroid also raises questions about how widespread such features might be and whether they could exist on other small celestial objects that have yet to be studied in detail. This rare find offers a glimpse into the surprising complexity of our solar system, showing that even the smallest and seemingly most insignificant objects can harbor extraordinary mysteries. As we marvel at the unexpected elegance of Chariklo's rings, let us now drift toward another astonishing cosmic anomaly: a giant blob of hot gas that stretches across the vast emptiness between galaxy clusters. With the next phase of the journey in sight, we turn our attention to a colossal and mind-boggling phenomenon: a giant blob of hot gas suspended in the boundless void between galaxy clusters. Known as one of the largest individual structures ever observed, this massive cloud spans millions of light years across and boasts temperatures reaching tens of millions of degrees. Its sheer scale is almost incomprehensible, dwarfing even the vast galaxies it exists between. Scientists detected this massive feature through a specialized technique involving X-ray observatories, which revealed the intense, energetic radiation emitted by the superheated gas. These observations not only confirmed its existence, but also provided crucial insights into the cosmic web, the intricate framework of matter that connects galaxies across the universe. This enormous blob of hot gas is far more than just a random anomaly. It plays a critical role in shaping the environment of galaxy clusters. By observing its behavior and composition, researchers can better understand how galaxies interact with one another and how the unseen forces of gravity and dark matter influence the universe on the grandest scales. What makes this discovery particularly significant is that it sheds light on the distribution of baryonic matter, the ordinary matter that makes up stars, planets, and even us. Much of this type of matter was previously unaccounted for, but findings like these help fill in the gaps, painting a more complete picture of the universe's structure and evolution. As this vast reservoir of hot gas quietly drifts through the cosmic expanse, it reminds us of the profoundly interconnected and dynamic nature of the universe. Now turning to the next fascinating phenomenon, let us explore the microscopic yet equally enthralling world of interstellar dust collected from distant stars, which holds secrets about the origins of the cosmos. Now turning to the microscopic yet equally enthralling world of interstellar dust, let us uncover the profound secrets held within these tiny particles. Collected by ambitious missions like the Stardust spacecraft, interstellar dust grains are fragments originating from the distant depths of space, often thousands or even millions of light years away from Earth. These particles, although minuscule in size, are cosmic time capsules carrying invaluable information about the stars and environments they once belonged to. Formed in the fiery birth or explosive death of stars, they are scattered across the universe, eventually making their way to regions like our solar system. By analyzing these grains, scientists can piece together stories of ancient stars, revealing details about their composition, temperature, and even the processes that led to their creation. In a groundbreaking mission, the Stardust spacecraft successfully captured samples of this interstellar dust and returned them to Earth, marking a milestone in humanity's quest to understand the cosmos. Through meticulous laboratory analysis, researchers have found traces of elements and compounds that predate the formation of our own solar system. These findings provide a glimpse into the primordial conditions that shape the universe and offer clues about the chemical evolution, leading to the development of planets and possibly life itself. What makes interstellar dust even more fascinating is its role as a building block for planets during the early stages of solar system formation. When these microscopic grains clump together under the influence of gravity, they form the seeds of planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. Each tiny speck floating between the stars is a reminder of the immense interconnectedness of the universe, linking the distant past to the dynamic present. As we delve deeper into these ancient particles, we get closer to unraveling the mysteries of our own origins. Moving forward, we transition from the microscopic to the emotional, as we explore an extraordinary way people have chosen to leave a legacy among the stars, sending human ashes into the vastness of space. Moving forward, we arrive at the deeply personal yet cosmic tribute of sending human ashes into space, a practice that combines the vastness of the universe with the intimate desire to be remembered among the stars. Companies like Celeste's memorial spaceflights have made this symbolic act possible, offering families and loved ones the opportunity to send a small portion of cremated remains beyond our atmosphere. These ashes can be launched into Earth's orbit, onto the Moon, or even on a trajectory into deep space, creating a celestial memorial that transcends the boundaries of our planet. This practice is not only a technological feat, but also a profound expression of humanity's connection to the cosmos. It gives individuals a chance to become a part of the universe in a literal sense, a poetic final journey symbolizing both our curiosity about the stars and our ultimate return to stardust. For many, this act serves as a meaningful way to celebrate a life well lived, creating a legacy that will drift through the cosmos for years to come. The emotional resonance of this gesture is undeniable. It turns the cold, vast expanse of space into a place of remembrance, where loved ones can look up at the night sky and feel a connection to something larger than life itself. This extraordinary tribute reminds us that even in death, we can find ways to honor our place in the universe, intertwining our personal stories with the infinite canvas of space. Turning now to the mysteries of cosmic phenomena, we encounter one of the most enigmatic regions in the universe, the Great Cold Spot. Now turning to one of the most perplexing discoveries in cosmic science, we have the Great Cold Spot, a vast and mysteriously chilly region in the cosmic microwave background radiation, which is essentially the faint afterglow of the Big Bang. This region, spanning over 1 billion light-years, stands out as being significantly colder than the surrounding areas of the universe. Scientists have long debated the potential origins of this strange anomaly. One leading theory suggests that it could be the result of a supervoid, a massive region of space containing a significantly lower density of galaxies and matter. Such a void would naturally produce less gravitational influence, leading to less warming of the cosmic microwave background radiation as it passed through. However, the great cold spot size and severity push the boundaries of what we understand about supervoids, leaving room for additional speculation. Another, more mind-bending hypothesis posits that this cold region might hint at interactions with other universes. According to this idea, the Great Cold Spot could be an imprint left by a collision between our universe and a parallel one, a fascinating yet unproven concept in the realm of theoretical physics. While these ideas remain unconfirmed, they underscore just how much we have yet to learn about the universe's earliest moments and its vast, mysterious structure. The Great Cold Spot continues to captivate researchers and enthusiasts alike, serving as a reminder of the universe's many unanswered questions. Moving forward, we revisit the enigmatic object known as Oumuamua, whose peculiar behavior has sparked debates about its extraterrestrial origins. As we delve further into the mysteries surrounding the Great Cold Spot, recent studies have continued to add layers of complexity to this cosmic enigma. Researchers have discovered that this anomaly may not be a singular feature, but could instead be part of a series of cold regions, suggesting a more intricate structure within the universe's cosmic microwave background radiation. This raises intriguing questions about whether these regions are connected in some way, potentially pointing to a widespread phenomenon we have yet to fully grasp. Scientists have also proposed that the Great Cold Spot might not be purely a natural occurrence, but could instead indicate new and unexplored physics. Perhaps it is a subtle artifact of quantum fluctuations from the early moments of the Big Bang, or possibly evidence of phenomena that challenge our current models of cosmology. Some theories even suggest that this region might reflect irregularities in the dark matter distribution, hinting at hidden forces shaping the universe on a massive scale. What makes the Great Cold Spot so compelling is not just its size or its depth, but the sheer number of unanswered questions it poses, serving as a potential gateway to breakthroughs in our understanding of the cosmos. Whether it represents a window into other universes, a supervoid far beyond our expectations, or a signpost of unexplored physics, it captivates the imagination by reminding us of how much remains unexplored in the vast tapestry of space. As we ponder the imagination-stirring possibilities of the Great Cold Spot, we now turn our attention back to the peculiar story of Oumuamua, an interstellar object that has reignited debates about the existence of extraterrestrial intelligence. Now turning to the fascinating tale of Oumuamua, this interstellar object, first spotted in late 2017, continues to baffle and intrigue scientists worldwide. Unlike anything previously observed, Oumuamua's elongated, cigar-like shape sparked immediate curiosity, but it was its bizarre behavior that truly reignited debates about extraterrestrial intelligence. Most notably, its unexplained acceleration as it exited our solar system defied expectations, leaving researchers scrambling for answers. Could it be a naturally occurring object, such as a fragment of a shattered planet or an icy body shedding gas in an unusual way? Or does its behavior hint at something far more extraordinary, like an alien artifact? Some scientists have entertained the idea that Oumuamua might be a piece of advanced extraterrestrial technology, a discarded fragment of a solar sail, engineered to harness the pressure of sunlight for propulsion. While this remains a controversial and unproven theory, it has nevertheless opened the door to deeper conversations about how we might identify or interpret signs of intelligent life beyond Earth. Adding to the mystery, Oumuamua lacks the typical signs of a comet, such as a visible tail of gas and dust, leaving its exact composition and origin shrouded in uncertainty. Recent studies have renewed interest in this cosmic visitor, with theories ranging from unconventional models of natural formation to more speculative interpretations involving alien engineering. What makes Oumuamua particularly captivating is the way it challenges our understanding of what is possible in the cosmos. Its existence has spurred new initiatives to scan the skies for similar objects, pushing the boundaries of astronomy and encouraging us to remain open to the unknown. As we explore the lingering mysteries of Oumuamua, our journey through the cosmos continues, unraveling secrets that redefine our place in the universe. Let us now move toward the eerie phenomenon of zombie satellites, those defunct or malfunctioning spacecraft that still drift aimlessly in orbit, creating their own kind of spacebound mystery. As we bring this cosmic journey to a close, it is truly astonishing to reflect on the incredible diversity of strange and mysterious objects floating in the vast expanse of space. From human-made relics like the Tesla Roadster and Golden Records to natural wonders like rogue planets and diamond-rich worlds, each tells a unique story about our universe and our place within it. These objects, whether born of human ingenuity or cosmic phenomena, highlight just how little we truly understand about the mysteries beyond our planet. The universe, in all its vastness, continues to surprise us with its beauty, complexity, and sheer unpredictability, constantly reminding us of the boundless possibilities that await discovery. So, which of these bizarre objects caught your attention the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if exploring the unknown sparks your curiosity, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to join us on more adventures through the wonders of space. The cosmos is full of stories yet to be told, and we cannot wait to share them with you. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking.